Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, I am here back again with a fabulous project EgoCoin. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting that, we see a small disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not investment advisor. Make sure do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. First of all, you can check out here PaySanger. So it's a create, impact, and it's a all-in-one project. So first of all, when you click the link, this interface will be open, and here you can see the home page. Start your upgrading creative career. Simple start the magic login. What is PaySanger? PaySanger is the best place to create and provide exclusive access to their work and get a deeper connection with their communication. Everything here all at once. So it's a all-in-one project. We have everything you need to start monetizing your audience. Different services are no longer needed. Your followers will thank you. In this project, you will be get membership, daily task, NFT marketplace, content on demand, and the main thing is crypto. So what is daily task? You can check here. Daily task, comment post on the Joe Rogan. You need to just complete the little tasks. And this is your reputation, and just click on start now. 50,000 plus creator love PaySanger catches artist, music, and blogger and health. Everything you really need in one place. And here you can see the membership, stable support for your creativity, and don't stress our creating exclusive content. Engage your audience with better than our service. And here you can see the get even more support from fans. New life of NFT technology. This project also provide the NFT technology. Here you can see the overview about this project. So here in this project, you will be get content on demand, membership, paid chats, ego, NFT marketplace, grateful fans, profile enhancement, gamification, advanced security, and profile enhancement. And this is I already told it. Question and answer. What is PaySanger? PaySanger is a social platform specially designed for creators. If you are creator, this is best platform for you. PaySanger mission is to create the best tool on the market, audience engagement, earning through creativity. We care about providing your fans with the most comprehensive interaction experience with you and ensure you don't get lost. So it's a very amazing project. Who is suitable and how do I receive payment? Your payment earning PaySanger balance, withdraw funds, bank transfer, unit link a bank card. How much does it cost? In the first year, we do not charge creators any commission, expect any bank fee afterward. Afterward, a service will be commission 7% per transaction. How do PaySanger help me to earn? How much I can make? And here you can see the should I pattern. What's the difference? Don't waste your time. Start to monetize. Click on start now. And here you can see all the social links provided here. If I open the Twitter account, you can check out the Twitter account. Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Discord, Facebook, and YouTube. Everything is provided here. You can send a question to contact our support. Click on Telegram, and you can also contact here. Simply, you need to create your account. Then click on sign up for free. And you can sign up with their Facebook, sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, email, password, and repeat password. So I create my account. So guys, here you can see my account has been successfully created, and then it open it. First of all, you can check out here created feed request NFT marketplace. So this page is loading sometimes, so let's wait how much time take. And here you can see everything is good. Now you can check out KuCoin, coin market cap, top gainers, ego price, earn a real ego token as you engage, get reward with ego token. Your creativity or the platform token is the whole real world of value. And then you need to click on let's go option and get PaySanger premium. If you want to premium, then you need to pay some amount here, but I do not suggest you at the first time. You need to just make sure demo work as a demo on the project. After you like, then you can purchase the premium account. And here you can see the ego maintain launch, created content feed, create a post. This is a very simple task, but here you need to just like the post here. Simply click on like, then click on again like, and you will be get earning. Here you can check out your ego balance. This is your ego, one ego. And then I click on, you need to click on connect wallet. After clicking the connect wallet, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet here. So in previous call, and here you can see my MetaMask is connected. So I enter my password here. And I click on the unlock option, and my wallet has been successfully connected. So then I click on the next option, then I click on the connect option, and my wallet has been successfully connected. Here you can see the connect option is then I click refresh the page here. So let's see my wallet is connected or not. So let's see, I hope it's connected. So yes, it's connected. Purchase for 1 ego and level 1 and level 2 create a motivator, get 400 ego to balance open. And what is ego? I also told about the ego. So here you can see the country, enter promo code, email, referral program. Here you can see the referral program is also provided here. You can share this link, copy this link, share with your friends and relatives. You will be get 30% of every time your referral purchase and 30% revenue. Pricing your premium status, 10% discount their premium status. Share the earned benefit and the professional categories. If I click on the professional categories, you can check out all the categories. This is ego wallet, and I click on the ego wallet. You can check out here. This is your ego wallet. 0 you can click on the upgrade to level 1 and click on the get level, and your level will be successfully purchased. So here you can see I have now 5 ego remaining. So if I click on the ego button, you can check out I have now 5 ego in the remaining. This provide just a simple task. You need to like the post, and you will be get ego. What is ego? Ego is a token. I also show you about that coin market cap. So I open the coin market cap, and here you can see the ego, and here you can see the Twitter account is also provided here. So here you can see the Twitter account. They have 1,02,000 followers and following. You can check out ego March April. And here you can see the entering active phase. You can also check out ego and USDT price chart here. You can also check on the coin market cap. So it's a very amazing project. Here you can see the NFT marketplace, NFT post to if you want to buy the NFT place with 20 ego, 30 ego, and this is the NFT marketplace. If you want to create your NFT, then click on the create NFT, create new post, NFT mint exciting post, and if you want a new post, then click on the create and add your and how much you want to pay want money for the one post. Then simply click on publish and mint. So it's very easy method to earning the project. If you want to feed and then click on the create post, and you can also create your post here. So it's very easy method. Simply you need to click on the like option. Then I'm liking the every post, and this is very simple task. So I subscribe to get only members allowed to like this content. So I click on the skip option. So if you want to buy premium, I also suggest you, but at your own behalf. It's a very really amazing project. So if I refresh the page, you can check out I have now 5 ego. So I posted I like many posts, so I see anything I receive or not. So in some time I will receive the my payment here. If I click on the creators, you can check out creators. This is a request, and here you can see the creators, crypto analytics, trends, and you can check out blogger selection, music and complication, artist selection, and health wizard and top sets. If you want to buy this, click on this option. After clicking this option, you can check out here. If you want to no response and video request, if you want video request, you can also do a request. Here you can see the request. So see your founder pricing. I click on this option. After clicking this add new post and open request, and here question request of Stanwick, glad to see you join us. Click on open request. If I click on the open request, here you can see that and enter your want eager response and send response this kind. Glad to see your complete and question enter your response here. So I just type very good. So I type it very good, then I click on the send response, and don't ask again. I click on the send option, and my response will be successfully sent. Your response has been sent, and I click on the make it public. After clicking the make it public, and has my response. So it's very easy method. This is a 100x unique project. I recommend you if you invest in the project at your own behalf. So here is the Telegram post here. I connect the VPN. I don't think why it's not opening, but it's now open. So I click on the open Telegram channel, and here can say a new Q ego listed on BingX. The uptrend growth in the last week showing the ego potential future. It has a market cap 4 million accessible coins. The pricing is account downloaded from a store, and you can also download the app. So if I click the home page, you can also check out the home page here. Then I click on this option, then I click on the logout, become a creator, supply to setting, and here you can see the wallet. So this is the ego wallet. If I click on the wallet, you can check out ego wallet, and you need to multiply. If you want to multiply, you can also check out the premium, and you can also connect your wallet here. So it's very easy method to earning in this project. Simply you need to connect your MetaMask here. You need to enter your then click on sign in. After clicking the sign in, and your MetaMask will be successfully connected, and here you can see my MetaMask has been connected. So this is the balance and ego wallet and everything provided here. So here you can see the top up. If you want to click on the top up, how much you want to top up bank card, then total fee $20, $50, $100, then click on top up, and you can use bank card, and then If you want to withdraw the withdraw fund, you need to at least $20 verify your identity after that. So I suggest you at your own behalf investment. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.